In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the period size in Google Docs. This might seem like a small detail, but adjusting punctuation marks can really help make your document stand out or meet specific formatting requirements. Let's dive into the process. First, start by opening your web browser and sign into your Google account just like you normally would. Begin by entering your email address in the provided field, then click the Next button. You'll then be prompted to type in your password. Once that's done, click Sign In to access your account. Now that you're signed in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small box, often referred to as the Google Apps box. Click on this box, which will reveal various Google applications available for you. From these options, select Google Docs. This will lead you to the Google Docs homepage, where you can either start a new document or choose to open a document you've worked on previously. If you're looking to change the period size in an existing document, open that document now. Once your document is open, navigate to the part of your text where you want to make the change. This is where we focus on the specific period you want to resize. Carefully use your mouse to select the single period. You can click just after the period, then click and drag your cursor to highlight this tiny yet significant punctuation mark. Once your period is highlighted, you'll want to take a look at the toolbar above your document and find the font size box. Click on this box to reveal a drop-down menu of various font sizes. Now you have the choice to either click on one of the preset font sizes or manually type in the size that you desire. Whether you want it to be understated with a smaller size or you prefer to make it bold and noticeable by increasing its size, this is your opportunity to make those changes. After selecting your preferred size, don't forget to click outside the highlighted area to apply the change. This will update the period size within your document, and you'll immediately be able to see how these punctuation marks now complement your text. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the period size in Google Docs. This little adjustment can sometimes be just what your document needs to improve readability or adhere to particular formatting styles. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has helped you streamline your Google Docs experience. Until next time, keep customizing those documents to fit your style and